Hello YouTube. I'm here at the HR Owen Ferrari Workshop where they've done a kind of open day and they've invited me down to come and check out the cars that they have. So let me show you around quickly. There are quite some special cars here. Okay, I'm going to start here with Ferrari California, California T. Quite basic spec, but still it's a Ferrari, so who can complain? Here we have a really nice Rosso F1 2007. By the way, before I start, I don't know all the color names, so the colors I do know I will say, the colors I don't know I won't say. But this is a Rosso F1 2007 LaFerrari Coupe. All the carbon bits, including the interior and engine bay, are satin, as you can see. Looks pretty cool. The roof. Early on they were demonstrating how the wing works when cornering, etc. So it was going up and down. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it on my story as I posted it on there. So in total there are four LaFerraris, one coupe there, a Perta, and another coupe. But let me show you first all these cars. Nice 488 not GTB Spider with Daytona seats, a really nice red, I don't know the name, black roof, gold wheels. I really like the spec, lots of carbon fiber. It's really nice. F430 just chilling up there. Another F430 chilling. Here is a special edition 70th anniversary 488 GTB. No, again 488 Spider. Why do I keep on saying GTB? I don't know. Look at the interior. The center bridge matching the stripe on the car. Painted shield. This is a tailor-made. Let me polarize it. Tailor-made 488 70th anniversary. Here's another tailor-made one with lots of blue bits. Look at the interior, blue and white, blue carbon, blue wheels, really cool. More blue carbon down there. This car is basically white and blue. Lots of blue carbon, lots of blue and lots of white. I think it's an amazing combination. An amazing spec. Here's a F430 Spider. Here's a LaFerrari Aperta. Pretty cool car, as you know. This is really cool. V12 sound, fun without a roof. Another LaFerrari Aperta. This one doesn't have, whoops. This one doesn't have any stripes. Obviously I can't show you now. Maybe I'll try to reach up there. But usually the LaFerrari Apertas have pinstripes, as you saw on the yellow one, but this one doesn't. It looks pretty clean. And look how you can see that the air channels down there. It directs the air towards the back on the side. Here's a 458 Aperta. Pretty cool car as well. And it's got a nice silver stripe. This Aperta. This is just a bit cheaper, that's all. But yeah, two Apertas. Here's another LaFerrari Coupe. Really nice colour, dark grey. This car actually belongs to Gordon Ramsay, the famous chef. Really cool car. But to be honest, I'd have the LaFerrari Aperta over the Coupe. Here is a F430 Scuderia. I don't know if it's called F430, but the badge says 430 Scuderia. But it's basically the lighter and faster version of the F430. Here's a 360 Challenge Stradale, really clean, silver. Again, it's the lighter and faster version of the normal 360 Modena. Here is a black Testarossa that looks like it's going it's being under restoration or something, because stuff inside is missing. Engine bay is open and quite dusty as well. Yeah, look at the lineup. LaFerrari Aperta, LaFerrari Aperta, and if you can peek through there, the LaFerrari. Here's a F430 with this, you can see it, turbo V8, open heart, amazing car. 512 BB. As I've been told, Testarossa and this are basically the same chassis, same engine, just the 512 BB is basically a newer car. Here's a F40 GT and a nice 275 behind. This F40 GT looks pretty cool with this livery. F12 TDF and another F12 TDF, but let me show you first the F40. It looks really cool. This F12 TDF looks pretty clean with no stripes. This car seems to have the optional black cap, black lettering, prancing horse in black. This F12 TDF is also nice and also belongs to Gordon Ramsay, which owns that LaFerrari, as I said earlier. Very cool. This is a really nice F12 Bellinetta, matte white, red interior, looks really good. So which F12 TDF would you have? A clean one with all blacked out badges, or this one? I love this car. This is a pretty cool spec. Here's another California, normal California, not a California T. And there are some more cars outside. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this quick video of two LaFerrari coupes, one there, one here, both pretty cool colors. LaFerrari Aperta and another LaFerrari Aperta, so in total 4 LaFerraris. I think there are a few cars outside which I'll show you in a minute, but I hope you've enjoyed seeing the cars here inside in the workshop. I really enjoyed it. Pretty cool cars. I'll be honest, I didn't expect to see so many LaFerraris and cool cars in general. I'll show you the cars from outside, and yeah. Right, a bit of a flop for me. I was hoping to see a few cars that were parked up earlier. There was a very nice Ferrari 812 Superfast over there, the HR Owen Ferrari demonstration car, and there were quite a few cars there as well, but they've all gone because I came out too late. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the cars. I definitely enjoyed it. It was really cool cars, cool people. I've had a good time. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. And please like, subscribe, and all the rest. And I'll see you in the next video.